What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as EOS to BTC. It will be the last day we discuss EOS for the next couple of weeks. We will be doing a different altcoin next week, which will be a pretty cool altcoin actually. We'll also be looking at the coin market cap, and I do have a very important question to ask you guys later in today's episode. So otherwise, let's jump in. Alright guys, so before we begin today's episode, I have a very important question to ask you guys. So this morning I came up with a very interesting idea, and truthfully, I really need your guys' opinion on it. So I thought of an idea today, and this morning I was asking a bunch of my friends whether or not it should be something I spend some time on, and they said I should go for it. So I really need to hear your guys' feedback. So let me know what you think about this. Let me know in the comments. I really appreciate it if all of you guys let me know, and all of you guys comment on this. Don't hold back. Let me know your thoughts. So I thought I should create an app for the channel, which would be a very interesting, pretty awesome app actually. So the app will be in the App Store, I believe iOS and Android. It will be called Crypto TV, and basically on this app, it will be a general, basically jam-packed crypto-related application or an app. So it will be discussing my channel. It'll have all my videos, all my content, all my charts. Everything will be in this app. You'll be able to have a forum to chat with. You'll have a forum to talk to me directly. You'll have pretty much everything in this, and it will be I'll always be adding to the app. The app takes a very long time to create, and it is quite costly to make, but I think it will definitely benefit a lot of you guys who are, the supporters of the channel. So instead of you guys having to scroll through, YouTube to find me and all this stuff, it will all be directly located on the application, which is pretty awesome. It will have a wide range of everything that I discuss, all the updates to the channel, all the comments and everything like that. And I think it will be a pretty awesome thing to create, moving forward. It will be a very easy app to understand and create, and that's pretty much it, guys. So definitely let me know down below. I'm trying to think of everything that will be included on this, but it's kind of hard to think of it all off the top of my head. We'll have Twitter links, we'll have all the updates, market updates, comments, YouTube videos. We'll have all the different projects in the crypto space that are new on the application. So when I do make interesting videos that discuss certain products or merchandise or services, I will have all of that in an application, in a link in the app. It'll be that simple. All you would have to do is there'll be a menu bar on the side. You click that menu bar and you'll see all the different lists on the side. So we'll have about us, we'll have reach out, contact, business inquiries, all different things. We'll have the YouTube for the videos that are all there. We'll have forums, like I said. We'll have a chat box, all tons of different relevant content for the channel. So that's pretty much going to be what's going to be on the app, and it'll be pretty awesome, honestly. So definitely let me know some feedback down below. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. So guys, really quick, I'm on the current coin market cap, and as you guys can see, Bitcoin dominance is 52%, 24-hour volume is 33 bill, and market cap is 173.5 billion. So for the most part, we're seeing a lot of sideways consolidation. Market is slightly up compared to yesterday, and majority of the coins are in green. It looks pretty darn good. 2 out of the 10 are in red, but for the most part, we are up quite a bit. Litecoin now back in the number 5th spot, racing to that number 4 spot. We beat out EOS by really not much at all, $11 million, and we're just right behind Bitcoin Cash, so we may actually bump above that pretty soon. Binance Coin actually taking number 7. It is starting the run. As for all the other coins, you can see a lot of sideways consolidation, no volume, sideways movement. So a big move is coming, guys, so we're gonna have to pay attention to the charts and really discuss what exactly is going on, because the sideways consolidation is definitely something that indicates a big rally is on its way. So moving into the charts, guys, we're on Litecoin to BTC. Litecoin to USD on Coinbase. Now, I want to give a huge shout out to every single person who has decided to sign up to my Patreon. That is where you guys will get access to exclusive content and all of my charts, guys. These charts are very difficult. They take a long time to create, so it basically speeds up the process for you guys. It's a way to follow me, a one-on-one, a way to follow me and all my charts, and every update and every line that I create, you guys will get instant updates to that. So definitely shout out to all you guys who have taken part of joining the Crypto TV family over at Patreon. Huge shout out to you guys. Definitely check it out. First link in the description. A bunch of pretty interesting stuff there. It's also a way to contact me personally very quick. Otherwise, guys, you can see what exactly is going on. We're on Litecoin on the daily, and we are trading sideways. You can see the past couple of days have been a lot of very interesting sideways movements, a lot of volume spikes and downwards movements. You can see right here. Now, the daily charts don't really capture what exactly I'm referring to. When we switch our focus to the 4-hour, we'll get a better overview of what exactly is going on. So you can see we've had pretty much 1, 2, 3 days, if you want to count this, 4 days of this weird, sideways trajectory. You can see we're pretty much getting very close to our purple uptrend line, this ascending, wedge that's forming right now. You can see we pretty much have had sideways consolidation for the past couple of days. We're trading at 58, which looks very nice. But as I switch our focus now to the 4-hour, you can see what exactly I'm referring to. So we've pretty much flatlined out and hit a very, nice area on our RSI, pretty much trading at around 42 right now, which gives us plenty of potential to bounce upwards, but you can see we're pretty much getting entangled with our 4-hour relative strength, our 4-hour high-low middle moving averages, which is very interesting. This very flatlined volume you can see here is definitely an indication that a move is coming. Now, we are getting very sandwiched in between a very difficult, resistance and support level, so we are holding up on a very weak high-low MMA support for the 4-hour, but we're getting also, a lot of resistance from our $80 resistance level. So this is definitely going to be a very big move that is going to come for Litecoin. Now, that is why I've been putting out a lot of bearish videos. I know a lot of you guys don't like that, but the bearish videos is just an indication that the longer we're hanging out here for, the better chances we have of pulling back down lower, which obviously opens up some better buying opportunities that I'll let you guys know that I do later on the channel. But you can see a pullback to 75, if not even 69, as low as 67 are definitely some possibilities and some variables as a pullback, because we are pretty much hanging out here for a very long time. There's also a very big, concern that this red, high-low MMA line, this red band is about to cross over the green band, which is more of a bearish view of the market, which can indicate that a pullback to potentially 74, potentially 69 is possible. Now, these aren't looked at as a bad thing. These are definitely good for the market. They're healthy pullbacks. It's not going to be a crazy crash to the bottom, but it will open up some very good deals to buy into crypto, buy into Litecoin that you couldn't have picked up earlier. So this is when I would start to dollar cost average and inevitably make some pretty good profits, because we are going to start to head back up easily to $80, $90 very, very, very soon after this drop. So I'm anticipating a drop. Obviously, if we break bullish, there's really no complaint all around, and we'll just ride that sucker up. But for the most part, definitely a pullback is in place. For those of you who are new to the channel, I've already bought in around 10% of my, investment into Litecoin at around 76.50. I did discuss that right around here. It was back April 12th, which is literally only 2 days ago. So I have 10% in my portfolio already. If we fall lower, I'll start to throw in 20, 30% and continue that, downwards trajectory, or that downwards pattern, until I have invested all of my money, or that I want to invest into Litecoin. Now, moving on to Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin also has a very similar pattern, bouncing off very well off of its, support at $4,900. Now, again, we are pretty overextended, I'd like to say, on our RSI. Looking at Bitcoin on its daily, it is much higher than Litecoin's is, and obviously Litecoin is the leading cryptocurrency that pretty much indicates where the markets are going. Now, the fact that we're pretty much sideways trading on our overbought line is a good indication that a pullback is definitely necessary, at least in the short term. For Bitcoin, a pullback potentially down to our high-low MMA, if not our purple band, is definitely in store. We could see a pullback all the way to maybe $4,400, $4,300. The good note, though, to take out is the fact that the green band did cross over the red, which is a bullish, golden cross, a bullish view that we could start to trade, higher up. It's nice to see that $4,900 is a very good support. So if we trade out sideways and continue to sideways trade, it could let us catch up to that high-low MMA. Now shifting our focus to the 4-hour, you can see again what exactly is holding on. We're pretty much sideways trading right now. Extremely low volume is an indication that a move is coming, and the high-low MMA is just chasing the price and trying to catch back up to this. And a good thing to take note of is if we catch up to here, we could use this as a bounce to push us higher, which is definitely a possibility. We look very nice on our RSI too, only trading at around 48, 49, which gives us plenty of room on the short term to move up higher. But, you know, in a longer term things, the daily would indicate that a small pullback is definitely amidst Litecoin. Otherwise, guys, discussing EOS, Ethereum, the last of the 3 blue chips we like to discuss on the channel before jumping into our altcoin of the week. You can see that very similar to Bitcoin, sideways trading is what's happening. Looks a lot better on our daily though, only at around 57, similar to Litecoin. We do have a very strong support at around 158, 160, which is holding very well, so I don't see us breaking through that. Honestly, sideways consolidation, enough for us to catch up to our purple uptrend, or even the high-low MMA would indicate that a move to the $190, $200 level is a possibility. So we could see, you know, consolidation like this, and if we see something like that, that will inevitably let the high-low MMA to catch up and push the price up much higher to $200. So definitely some nice movements on the crypto space. EOS is the last coin for discussion. Very quick, you know, I do have some smaller people on the channel, or a small community of EOS followers, but you know, for EOS as of right now, I wouldn't recommend investing in this. I would wait for the consolidation to finish over. At least that's what I'm going to do, and then if we see a good buying opportunity, I'll throw in some money. But we're looking not too bad actually on the RSI, only at 55, gives us plenty of room to move up. But sideways movement like this and then a rally to the upside is definitely what I'm looking for. What that would do, the sideways trading will lower us on the high-low MMA, but also, lower us on the RSI, but also create room to, you know, retest that uptrend, and that should push us higher up. That's truly what we're looking for. Otherwise, guys, let me know what you think about an app development. It'll be definitely an all-in-one, you know, place to get crypto TV, you know, content that will pretty much just be a lot easier than, you know, YouTube. But otherwise, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.